The Coolswing desktop air cooler is a compact, energy-efficient device that provides personalized cooling for small spaces. Unlike traditional air conditioners that require extensive installation and are designed to cool large areas, Coolswing focuses on delivering targeted airflow to keep your immediate surroundings comfortable. It's perfect for your desk, bedside table, or any other compact area where you need a swift, cooling breeze. Coolswing combines modern design with advanced cooling technology to offer users a convenient and effective alternative to bulky fans and expensive air conditioning units. Its sleek, portable design lets you move it wherever you need, making it a versatile addition to your home or office. The Coolswing has 50% discount and free shipping. For buy this product, click the description link.